Do you ever find you get varied or inaccurate readings when using this type of hoist scale? In this video, we will cover how to overcome this. These hoist scales are great because they're designed to be used on lots of different types of hoists. However, when using on different hoists, you can find you get different readings. The reason for this is to do with the fixing points. Different hoists will have different distance between the fixing points here, and this can give you different readings. For example, if I was to refix this scale on the same hoist at this location, it will almost definitely give me a different reading. The reason why that is that the load cell in here is being pulled at a different angle and therefore will give you a different reading. The best way therefore to get comparable results is to make sure you always use the same hoist scale on the same spreader bar. You may wish to note this in the service user's care plan as to which hoist to use when weighing individuals. For further information on how to use hoist scales, get in touch with us today.